Welcome to VistaCreate Design Tips. Let's learn the basics of color theory to create great-looking designs. With the help of this color wheel, you can discover essential color matching techniques for your own designs. The easiest way to match colors is to create a monochromatic color scheme. Choose a primary color, for example, purple, and then add its lighter tones or darker shades to the palette. The next technique is called complementary, when you mix the opposite colors on the wheel, like purple and yellow. To create a split complementary color scheme, choose a primary color and combine it with two colors that are on the sides of its complementary color. And here's the analogous color scheme, with the colors placed next to each other on the wheel like green, light green, and yellow. Let's move on from theory to practice and learn 4 useful tips on how to work with colors. Start with choosing your primary color for your design. Choose the color matching technique you want to follow in your design. The image doesn't have to be a perfect match, but it should have at least one dominating color from your palette. Black text looks a bit heavy on the deep green background. Make the text more readable by inverting its color to white. And here's the final design in the analogous color scheme. Now, let's learn 4 common mistakes that can ruin your design. You don't usually choose a brown background to advertise candy pink smoothies. Choose colors that are relevant to the message you want to communicate to your customers. It's very easy to cross the line with too many screaming colors when you want to create a bright and colorful design. Leave one vivid color, for example red, but reduce its saturation. Recolor the accents in white to still achieve that high contrast and draw attention. Watch out for the combination of muted colors and a faded image. Your message will blend with the background for the viewer. Marketing designs look and work much better when dominating colors are bright. Try to pick the colors that have as little black pigment in them as possible. There's no use in pastel pink leaves on the pastel blue background if no one can see them. Still, don't be afraid to use light, pastel colors in your designs. Just add enough contrasting detail to see the text and design objects clearly. Now that you know the basics of color theory, design it your way with VistaCreate.